Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about distance and displacement. Today we are going to study about another two more physical quantities, that is speed and velocity. So friends, speed is the total distance traveled in a given time. So whatever the distance traveled and whatever the time required gives you the speed. So the general formula for speed is total distance traveled divided by total time required. The unit of distance is meter and centimeter in SI and CGS systems respectively, while the unit of time is second. Hence, the unit of speed is meter per second in SI system and centimeter per second in CGS system. While velocity is the another concept, that is the displacement that occurs in unit time is called as velocity. So to find the velocity we require displacement. To find the speed we require distance. So velocity is given by the formula, that is velocity equal to displacement upon time. Here also displacement is measured in meter and centimeter in SI and CGS systems respectively, while time is measured in terms of second. Hence, the unit of velocity is meter per second in SI system and centimeter per second in CGS system. From this, we come to know that the unit of speed and velocity are the same. Both of them are measured in meter per second in SI system and centimeter per second in CGS system. Here, speed is related to the distance while velocity is related to the displacement. In case of the motion along a straight line, the values of speed and velocity are the same. Otherwise, they are different. And in last lecture, we have studied that when Sheetal started her journey towards Sangeeta's house along a path A, she covered a distance of 500 meters in 5 minutes. Along with Sangeeta, Sheetal covered a distance of 1200 meters towards the school along path B, and she requires 24 minutes to reach to the school. So in this case, Sheetal's speed along the path A, that is distance upon time. Now the distance covered is 500 meter and the time required is 5 minutes. Therefore, Sheetal's speed becomes 100 meter per minute. Here the time is measured in terms of minute, hence the unit becomes meter per minute. Sheetal's speed along path B, that is the distance covered along path B upon the time. The distance covered was 1200 meter and time taken was 24 minutes. Therefore, Sheetal's speed along path B was equal to 50 meter per minute. While Sheetal's average speed means the total distance travelled divided by total time required. So the total distance travelled is 500 meter plus 1200 meter, that is 1700 meter, divided by total time is 5 minutes plus 24 minutes equal to 29 minutes. And the Sheetal's average speed becomes now 58.6 meter per minute, while the distance is travelled in two different directions. Now the displacement in that case was only 1300 meter. Therefore, Sheetal's velocity is the displacement divided by time. Therefore, the displacement was 1300 meter and time required was 29 minutes in altogether. Therefore, Sheetal's velocity becomes 44.83 meter per minute. From this example, we conclude that velocity and speed, they are two different physical quantities. Now we have to study what are the effect of speed and direction on the velocity. If somebody is traveling on a motorcycle, then what will be the effect of different things on the velocity that is given in this example? In this case, first, the direction of the journey is unchanged, but there is only change in the speed. Hence, also there is change in velocity. When there is change in direction, but not change in the velocity, not change in the speed, there is also change in the velocity. And when there is change in direction as well as change in the speed, then also there is change in the velocity. So from this example, we can conclude that changing the speed while keeping the direction same changes the velocity. Changing the direction while keeping the speed same also changes the velocity. Changing the speed as well as direction also changes the velocity. From this, we must understood that what is a speed, how can we define it, and what are their units of measurement. Similarly, what is velocity and what are the units of their measurement. Also, you can write the differentiation between speed and velocity. Thanks.